Hi guys, I'm back again. I appreciate you for clicking on this video to learn another healthy recipe. My name is Mirian Dike, likewise my channel name as you have seen already. I'm here to share with you all how I do my dark bitter chocolate, which is very tasteful, yummy, and beneficial to our health. So just grab anything around your eatable like always and watch till the end. So after peeling the ginger bark, I will cut it very small. You can also leave your own like a little bit long if you want, but I cut my own very small in a cube form. That's the way I want it to be, because sometimes I give also my kids chocolate because of the health benefits, not only for the adults, and it's also for everyone can enjoy it. So right now I'm cutting it in small cube form. After that I will wash it thoroughly, dry it and set it aside. For my old and new subscribers, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you all. Just watch and see how I made this memory booster, libido booster, appetite controller, and asthma preventer. I know that some will be very anxious to know why it is a libido booster. Don't worry, I will explain that to you. But first, let me share with you the benefits of all the ingredients I use in this my recipe. First, ginger. The benefits of ginger to our health is this: improves blood circulation, suppresses appetite, helps regulate cholesterol, improves digestion, gives you energy to exercise, relieves stress, and normalizes heart rate. What about coconut oil? Coconut oil increases your energy, balances your hormones, prevents heart diseases, and boosts your immune system, and a lot more of its benefits. Coming to the point of honey. Honey is a good substitute of sugar. Instead of you using sugar, then you can go ahead and use honey, which is very good. Good source of energy, helps in weight loss, fight infections, slow aging process, heal wounds, and strengthen your immune system. Can't you see the benefits of everything I'm using here? Now, the main thing that we are talking about here, which is cocoa. What about the benefits of cocoa? Cocoa, which is cacao in Dutch, we call it, increases blood flow. So after melting the coconut oil, go ahead and start adding your cocoa powder gradually, so there will be no any lump on it. Then after, you go ahead and add your honey. Make sure that a substitute for those that are on weight loss, lovers of chocolate, I mean. So if you are lovers of chocolates and you are on weight loss journey, this is good for you. You can go ahead and do it. Just look at that. So good, looks so attractive, and tastes so good. So guys, that's for it today. Just take a look at that. For you, what will you add in your own chocolates? If you are the one that is doing it, I would like to know. What will you add on your own? I added ginger. You can go ahead and add other thing you would like to add on it. So that's for it today. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Stay blessed.